We can come back, till the time is gone. I'm done.
Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Deepika. Let's create this easy no makeup look today. Here I've already prepped my skin. Now I'm using this Pore Minimizer Primer from Inside. This has very lightweight formula and instantly blurs out your pores. Next I'm using this Lumi Lit Cream. It is both moisturizer and highlighter. This instantly gives you very glowing skin and look very natural. Next, I'll be using this Deconstruct SPF lip balm before using any lipstick or lip gloss. Since this is no makeup look, I will not be using any foundation or concealer. This is Maybelline Fit Me foundation powder. This gives very good coverage when compared to your regular compact powder and it hides all the blemishes marks that I have. Next I'll be using this Lakme eyeliner. Next I'm taking this eyeshadow palette and choosing the neutrals color and applying it on my eyelids using my fingers. If you like my channel, please do subscribe and follow for more content. And for the lipstick, I'll be using this Swiss Beauty lip liner and I'll be using this lip gloss from Zudio. And for the mascara, I'll be using this Mars Double Trouble mascara. This mascara is very good for the beginners and is very affordable. And for blush, I'll be using this Kiro lipstick. This lip shade is very good for bright to medium skin tone. This is my easy no makeup look using very minimal products. If you like my channel, please do subscribe and follow for more. Thank you for watching.